So today we'll be taking a look at the placement statistics of IIT Madras, which is arguably the best institute for technical education in India. So let's get started. So these data are from 2018-19 session, and here is the comparison with that of 2017-18 session. The percentage of students placed in BTech, dual degree, MTech, MA, MSc, MS, PhD, and in total. In 2017-18, total of 70 students were placed, while in 2018-19, 73 were placed. This bar graph shows the same thing in 2017-18 and 2018-19, the blue one being the 2017-18 data and the green one being the 2018 and 19 data. In BTech, you can see that the placement has increased, but in MTech, it has decreased a bit. So let's take a look at salary, where the maximum salary in BTech 133.1 LPA was the maximum salary offered. That is huge. And the minimum was 5.5 LPA. In dual degree 92.94 LPA, and in MTech you can see the maximum salary was 39.02 LPA. In MA and MSc are given here. You can see the maximum in MA is 14 LPA, MSc is 9. In MS the salary is same as MTech, 39 LPA being the maximum. In PhD 23 LPA being the maximum. Sector wise percentage of placement. So which sector recruited how many students? So the percentage of placement is led by analytics, consulting or finance sector, which is 23% of the total placement. Core companies were 19% of the total placement. Education was 4, IT was 27, others were 11, PSUs were considerably low, R&D was 14%. Now let's take a look branch wise placement of both the years 2017-18 and 18-19. So the red one shows 18-19 data, blue one shows 17-18 data. In Aeroscope, almost in all branches the placement has declined a bit in 18-19, except for these branches like chemistry, aerospace, and this one is humanities and social science. Now let's move on to branch wise placement statistics from different courses. So in aerospace engineering, total registered candidates were 27, out of which 1 deregistered themselves, and total placed were 22. This one is in BTech. These data are in dual degree, and these data are in MTech. This one is MA, which is available only under humanities and social science. Obviously these are in MSc, which is only under chemistry and physics and mathematics. So this one is MS, this one is PhD, this column is for total. We can see in aerospace engineering total 70% of the people were placed, out of which the BTech guys, 22 were BTech guys, and 15 were dual degree guys, and 13 were MTech guys. In applied mechanics there is no BTech degree, so there's that. In MTech 11 got placed in applied mechanics, and the rest were in MS, and 1 guy from PhD. In biotechnology, there's 12 degree, 23 got placed. In civil engineering, 39 from BTech got placed, 24 from dual degree, 27 from MTech, and 3 from MS. Let's move on to chemical engineering, 39 from BTech, 19 from dual degree, 16 from MTech, 3 from MS, and 6 from PhD. So let's move on to chemistry. There's only MSc under chemistry department. Out of 24, 13 got placed, and in PhD 1 guy got placed. Let's move on to computer science. Out of 30, 10 students deregistered themselves, and 17 got placed out of effectively 20. In dual degree computer science, there were 21 placed out of 24, and in MTech computer science, out of 50, 43 were placed. And in MS also, out of 19 got placed. We can see in MS computer science has better placement than MTech computer science, which is surprising. And let's move on to PhD. No one got placed in PhD computer science. Let's move on to electrical engineering. Let me tell you, there's nothing called electronics and communication engineering department in IIT Madras. All the courses comes under this electrical engineering department. So EEEC all are under electrical engineering department. In BTech, out of 54, 39 got placed, and dual degree out of 43, 35 got placed, and in MTech out of 44, 35 got placed. So this includes all the MTech branches like power electronics, PLSI and all, because both EC and EE branches are included in electrical engineering department only. So in AMS, out of 14 got placed, 5 PhD guys got placed. So the placement percentage in electrical engineering department is 86.49. In computer science it was 90.09, which is the highest among all. Let's move on to other departments, like there's electrical engineering design. There's no VTech program in dual degree. Out of 4639 got placed, which makes 83.33% of placement in that department. Humanities and social science, which offers only MA degree. So let's move on to MA. Here's MA. Out of 12, 9 got placed, which makes 81.82%. Mathematics, there is MTech branches under mathematics. Out of 13, 10 got placed, and there is MSc obviously. Out of 8, 2 got placed, and there's PhD. Out of 2, 1 got placed. Let's move on to mechanical engineering department. In mechanical engineering, out of 68, 4 deregistered themselves and 53 got placed. And in dual degree, out of 62, 51 got placed. And in MTech, out of 69, 46 got placed. And in MS, out of 34, 26 got placed. In PhD, 3 guys got selected. This metallurgical and materials engineering. So in BTech, 15 got placed. In dual degree, 10 got placed. In MTech, 8 got placed. And in MS, 0 got placed. And in PhD, 1 guy got placed, which makes it 54.84% of placement, which is the poorest among all, second poorest among all departments, because physics being the least placed department with 20%. And there's ocean engineering. Out of 25, 18 BTech guy got placed. In dual, 9 guy got placed. In MTech, 20 guy got placed. So now let's move on to program wise placement. Under aerospace engineering, we'll see which are the companies that recruited, and out of those recruited candidates who were BTech, dual degree, MTech, MSc, MA, MS and PhD. We'll see this for all the departments respectively. So aerospace engineering, I have highlighted as usual the major companies like Airbus Group, 1 got selected. American Express, 1 got selected. American Express Engineer Training, 1 got selected. There's Boeing International, 2 got selected. So let's see those 2 were from which courses. 1 from dual degree, 1 from MTech. Let's move on to Citibank, 1 got placed. Citibank Analyst Program, 1 got placed. Goldman Sachs, 1 got placed from, I guess this is MTech program. No, that's dual degree. So there's plenty of companies that recruited from aerospace engineering. You can see most of the companies that are software related, they recruit almost all branches. So in all branches you will see the common companies. I have highlighted mainly the core branches and the major companies. So in applied mechanics, there is nothing called, there's no courses under BTech. So there's only MTech and MS and PhD. So all the students that got placed were from either MTech, MSc or PhD. So Boeing International, 1 got placed, and that 1 guy was from MTech. And there's Renault Nissan, 1 got placed, and that 1 guy was from PhD. Rolls-Royce India, 1 got placed, and that 1 was from PhD also. Let's move on to biotechnology. Here also you can see there are plenty of companies, mostly the same companies that recruited other branches. There's Flipkart, JP Morgan, etc. Let's move on to civil engineering. So here also all the major banking and IT sectors, they recruited civil engineers also, but I have highlighted the main companies like Indian Oil. 2 guys got placed, and those 2 were from dual degrees. And L&T Construction, 13 got placed. Out of those, 3 were from BTech, 10 were from Masters. That is MTech, not MS. V Construct Private Limited, construction company. So only 1 from BTech and 2 from MTech. So in civil engineering, out of 93, total 71 was boys, 22 were girls, 39 was from BTech, 24 was from dual degree, and 27 were from Masters, and 3 were from PhD. Let's move on to chemical engineering. Here also you can see all the major companies. Indian Oil Corporation, 3, out of which 3 were all BTech guys. JP Morgan, one from BTech. There's Reliance Industries, two from BTech. Now this one is actually from dual degree. Tata Steel, 2 guys got placed, one from BTech, one from MS. Let's move to chemistry. These are the companies that recruited, mainly teaching institutions. Let's move to computer science. So you can see the salary in computer science ranges from 9.1 LPA to 133.05 LPA, which is pretty huge. Let's take a look at the companies. Amazon, total 3 guys got placed in Amazon, out of which 1 was BTech and 2 were MTech. Apple India, total 5 guys got placed, out of which 3 were MTech, 1 was dual degree and 1 was MS. Let's move on to Flipkart. 1 guy got placed that was from PhD only. No, that was from MS, I guess. And this column is MS, so 1 guy got placed in Flipkart from MS. HCL Technologies, 2 guy got placed, one is dual degree and this one is small to Intel. 1 guy from MS got placed in Intel. So you can see the MS placement is pretty good. This Microsoft, 11 got placed. Microsoft Data Scientist, 1 got placed. Microsoft Redmond Software, 1 got placed. Myntra, 6 got placed. Oracle, 5 got placed. PayPal, 1 got placed. Microsoft, out of 8, 2 were actually 2 were BTech, 2 were dual degree, 4 were MTech, 3 was MS. So this column is of MS. Let's move to Razorpay, 1 from MTech. Samsung R&D, 3 guy got placed. Uber India, 3 guy got placed. Uber India US profile, 1 guy got placed. Visa, 1 got placed. Let's move on to electrical engineering. So the salary ranges from 7 LPA to 39 LPA. Adobe, 1. AMD, 1. That one was from MTech. Analog Devices, 1. That was from MS. Analog Devices, 1. That was from also MS. Cisco, 2 was from MTech. Let's move to Flipkart, 1 from BTech. Google, 1 from BTech. Google Hardware Engineer, 1 from MTech. HCL Technologies, 2 from MTech. Y Technologies, 1 from dual degree. 1 guy, 1 from dual degree. There's Intel, 19 got placed in Intel, out of which 5 was from BTech, 2 was from dual degree, 3 from MTech. Let's move on to Intel. Out of 19, 2 from BTech, 3 from dual degree, 12 from MTech and 2 from MS. Jaguar, 2 guy got placed. Microsoft Software Engineer, 2. Microsoft Data Scientist, 2. Nvidia Graphics, 1. That one was from MTech. On Semiconductor, 1. Qualcomm, 9. And out of those 9, 2 was BTech, 3 were dual degree, 2 were MTech and 2 were MS programs. Qualcomm Wi-Fi system, 2 guy got placed. Qualcomm camera system engineer, 1 guy got placed. Reliance Jio, 7 guy got placed. Samsung R&D, 1. Samsung R&D Bangalore, 2. Samsung R&D Institute Delhi, 1. Samsung Semiconductor, 1. TSMC, 1. Texas Instrument, 2. Texas Instrument Digital Engineer, 1. TVS Motors, 2. Western Digital, 1. Digital System Validation, 1. Western Digital Senior Engineer, 1. So that's all from electrical engineering. Out of total 128 students that got placed. So 24 were from BTech, 39 was from BTech, 35 were from dual degree, 35 were from MTech and 14 were from MS, 5 were from PhD. Let's move on to engineering design. Bajaj Auto Limited recruited 1, Havells India 3, Jaguar 5, Renault Nissan 1, Robert Bosch 1. Let's move on to engineering physics. Analog Devices recruited 1. Let's move to AMA courses, humanities and social science. So there are mainly banking sectors in MA courses. Let's move to mathematics. Boeing International Data Scientist 1, JP Morgan Data Senior Analyst 1, Robert Bosch 1, Mechanical Engineering. Let's move to Amara Raja Group 1, Amway India 1, Bajaj Limited 2, Boeing International 2, Enfase 2, Havells India 3, Hero MotoCorp 1, ISRO 2. Those two guys, one was from BTech, one was from dual degree course. L&T Construction 5, all 5 were from MTech. MRF Limited 2. There's plenty other companies which I'm not showing because the list is so long. You can see it for yourself. These data are available on their official website as usual. Let's move to Metallurgical Materials Engineering. The salary ranges from 7 to 32 LPA, which is pretty good. Aditya Birla 1. There's Rolls Royce 2. Let's move to Ocean Engineering from 6 LPA to 23 LPA with median 11.58 LPA. On Infrastructure 3. There's many other teaching sectors like Fiji, banking sectors like Kodak, etc. Let's move to Physics department. This is the last department, so only 2 companies recruited from this department, 1 guy each. Those 2 guys were all from dual degree course. So guys, that was all for IIT Madras placement analysis. If you want to check out placement of the major NITs, the playlist is on the left side of your screen. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.